Now, O-level will always start to ask you, tell me value of x that it cannot be equal to, or tell me x that must be bigger than what value. So what is the rationale is, these two things here, my denominator cannot be equal to 0. That's rule number 1. Why? Because if denominator equal to 0, then I will have an error, I will invalid. Now next thing, since I have a square root, means the inside must be positive. Again, if I have a square root, okay, I'm not drawing a square root correctly. Shh, not listening. If I have a square root, it means my inside must be positive. Why? Because it's negative square root minus 2, 0, or error. So with this, right, let's look at the y. First, I cannot have 0, which means 2x minus 1 cannot be equal to 0. So 2x minus 1 cannot be equal to 0, and x cannot be equal to half. So it's not always 0. X cannot be equal to half. Do you follow the first part? Secondly, can you explain why x must be more than half?
Because if you put half inside, you put half 1.
Yeah, if I put half inside, it's 0. But what if x is smaller than half? Then this number will be negative. And a square negative number will be error. So now do you understand why it must be more than half? I repeat, because my square root cannot be a negative number. I just differentiate whatsoever. I still have to differentiate it. But if they ask you what is the value of x to make it true, to make it valid, then this is the answer. Last year, Mr. Chua also said one of the questions like this. The 1 mark question. So now O-level, they also have this kind of 1 mark question for you to do. So this is question 13. First, I copy down the first one, 3x. I copy down, then I differentiate the second one. So I have minus 3x. After that, I plus. After that, I plus. Where am I? Copy first one, differentiate the second one, plus. Copy the second one, differentiate the first one. Now, I make it clear by drawing two things here, two trays here. Really need your attention. If you have done this, you got it correct, fine. If not, then really listen. Now, this part, the factorizing part. I have 3, I have 3, I have 3. How many 3 can I take out? 3. Only 1, Now, lower down. This is power minus half. This is half. What do I take out? Minus half. Okay, write down the first one, what is left? This is 3x times 3x. Really? So, I take out 3, I will left with 3x squared. Am I correct? So this is my first tray. Why? No, this is 3x, then this is minus 3x. So together is minus 9x squared. I took out a 3, left minus 3x squared, isn't it? Not even worse. Then where's the power half? This thing power half, negative half already took out already, so no more. Is the first one okay? Second one, plus. It's a plus something. It's a plus something. 3 I took out already. This one left power what? 1. Let me try. 1 times minus half give you half, correct? 1 plus minus half will give you half, correct? This part is okay. You have completed? No, not interested. Okay lor. Then I can't do anything already. So with this, is this the final answer? No, what must I do? What must I do? Simplify lor. So 3x squared minus 3x squared minus 6x squared. Minus 6x squared. Which part? This one is it? How I get this? Is it? This one? How I get this one? I copy the top. I differentiate the second one. Copy first, differentiate second. Okay, I draw a line. So this is differentiate second. This is differentiate second. This is copy top. This is copy top. Right? Now, but then I want to write my final answer. How to write my final answer? Bring down the power minus half. So become. So this become 4. I still have take out 2. So if I take out 2, this one left with 3. I take out 2, this one left with 2. Then the final answer is that. So this is 6. This is minus 3x squared plus 2 minus 4 minus 3x squared. So this is the final answer. Solve. You are prepared to solve. Now, everything you do is correct, but there is one thing that is no good about here, or not say no good. Raul, look up first. That is, if you have power of 4, it makes solving very difficult. I repeat, if you have x power 4, it is very difficult to solve, very unfriendly. Now, so what you need to do is, when you have chance, you need to reduce the power. Now, I point your attention to here. Now, you see, every step is correct. There is nothing wrong with this thinking. But if you choose to do it this way, you end up with a power 4. How to make the power become smaller? This is power 4. First, my power 4 can come down. You see, if I make my power smaller, I write 4 log 2x plus 2 equal 2 log 2x plus 4. Now what I can do next is the 4 can divide by 2 become 2. This divided by 2 become 1. This divided by 2 become 1. Do you see that straight away I have something smaller? Do you understand? Do you understand the idea of making the power smaller? Now, once I have this, then my square can go up. I can combine these two, I can combine these two, I can make 2 the same. Do you follow? Or I can bring it over, and then I do whatever I need. Do you understand? I can stop here. So the idea for question 7 is how I wish this logarithm can come down, right? Because this is the power, am I correct? So for the power to come down, I need to add log base both sides. So then my question is, which one is better? Is log base 2 16, log base 3 16, log base 16 16? Which one? Because this one, base 2, okay, fine, I can change it to the power of 4. This one, I cannot do anything. This one, isn't it 1?
Yeah.
Then this is better. You understand now?
But if you look, you must look
Yeah, I must let on both sides. So because log 16, 16 is 1, so I want to try to log 16. So I try, I add log 16 x minus 3 over 8 is equals to log 16x log 16, 16. I'm doing two things at one time.
Okay.
I'm trying to bring the power down. Then this is the power. And then log 16, 16 is the one I added. Now straight away I know this is 1. And I look at this. Both have log 16, 16. What can you say about the inside? No, again. This inside and this inside is inside the log base 16. What can you say about the two things? Log base 16 is the same as log base 16. So inside must be equal to inside. So x minus 3 over 8 equals x over 1. So from here I can cross multiply, I can solve. Easy?